Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the third part. And our course title is Statistics and Probability Theory with course code MTH262. We will continue with the topic presentation of data. As we have studied in previous part that statistics is an art or science used for the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. We have learned that there are two types of data, primary data and secondary data. Now, the second step or second stage is presentation of data. Before starting it, you must know about the two concepts that are ungrouped and grouped data. Data can be classified as grouped or ungrouped. Ungrouped data are data that are not organized or if arranged would only be from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. This is totally a raw form of a data. It is not arranged in group or it is not arranged into row or column. Not any classification is done on this type of data. Whereas in group data that are organized and arranged into different classes or categories. Whenever you organize ungrouped data into rows and columns, it will become group data. There are three methods of presentation of data. The very first is textual method, second one is tabular method, third one is graphical method. Textual method is you simply arrange the data which is written in a paragraph and you arrange it from lowest to highest or highest to lowest value. And the other method is stem and leaf plot. Whereas in tabular method, we made frequency distribution table, relative frequency distribution table, cumulative frequency distribution table, and contingency table. Graphical method, it includes bar chart, histogram, frequency polygon, pie chart, less than, greater than, algebra. Textual representation of data. For example, you are asked to present the performance of your section in the statistics test. The following are the test scores of your class. So these are the test scores of your class. This is simply the ungrouped data. Now, what can you do? There are two methods to represent the textual type of data. One is you arrange it from lowest to highest value and second one is stem and leaf plot. So what we have done here, we have simply arranged it from lowest to highest value. If you concentrate here, the lowest value in the data is 9 and the highest value is 50. So what they have done, they simply arrange it like this: 9, 17, 18, 20, 23. 23 as it is coming two times in the data, 24, 25, 26. The very last one is 50. So this one is the arrangement of the data, or you can say rearrangement of the data from lowest to highest. Stem and leaf plot. Stem and leaf plot is a table which sorts data according to a certain pattern. It involves separating a number into two parts. In a two-digit number, the stem consists of the first digit and the leaf consists of the second digit. While in a three-digit number, the stem consists of the first two digits and the leaf consists of the last digit. In a one-digit number, the stem is 0. Basically, what we have done here, this is the data. You can see there this is one digit number and all remaining numbers are two digit number. As this is stem and leaf plot, so this first one would be stem and second one would be leaf. As there is only one digit here, So we will consider 0 here. So 0 is the stem and 9 is the leaf. So this is the stem and leaf plot. In stem, we have minimum lowest value is 9 and highest value is 0. So what they have done, they simply took the stem starting from 0 and it stopped at 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first value is 9. You can say it 0, 9. So stem is 0 and leaf is 9. Now the second value is 17. The stem is 1 and leaf is 7. 7 is written here. And the third value is 18. So stem is 1 and leaf is 8. So this is 1 and this is 8. And what about next? This is 20. So stem is 2 and leaf is 0. So this is stem 2 and leaf is 0. Rest of the table or rest of the plot is done in similar way. So this is the representation of the ungrouped data in stem and leaf plot. If you have 3 digits, then there would be 2 digits in stem and 1 digit would be in leaf. So this is the way to represent the ungrouped data in stem and leaf plot. So as you can see here, there is only one line, 117, 118, 120, 123, and there are 350s. If you concentrate here, this is 5 and this 0, 0, 0, there are 350. As you can see from here, there are 50. So this is the easy way to find out that how many times the number is repeating, and you simply represent your data. This is the easiest way to represent the ungrouped data. Tabular representation of data. If you arrange your data in the form of a table, so there are some parts of the table which have names. Let's say this is table 5, so this is table number, and there would be a title of the table. Column header, this is column header. This one is row classifier. These are the row classifier. This is the source node, and this one is the body of the table. So this is the representation of the tabular representation of the data.